How to suggest a place on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can suggest a place on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. The very first thing is you need to download the updated version of Snapchat. After that, you just need to launch your app and log in into your account. Then you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So the next step is what you need to do is simply tap on your profile at the top left. After that, you just need to scroll down a bit until you see the snap map section. So what you need to do is simply tap on enter. After that, you need to turn on your location in everything and make everything visible. So what you're going to do is simply tap on this here, allow, turn on your location. After that, you just need to tap on the settings, and when you scroll down, you'll be able to see this suggest a place option. So what you need to do is simply tap on it, and here you may just enter the name, enter the address as well. After that, on tap add to category, you may just edit it according, like entering your phone number, entering making a website link and pasting it here for other people to know, and you may add a photo as well and tap on submit, and just like that your place will be added on your Snapchat map very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.